Hi there, thanks for clicking. Welcome to our vocabulary session. In today's session, I have a new word for you, superficial. Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it. Superficial, which basically means something that is fake. It can also mean appearing to be genuine, but it isn't real at all. For example, you are in love with two girls. That means your love for one girl is superficial. Let's see some of example for better understanding. The first example we have, a mother love for children can never be superficial. Example 2, we all know the series of the Superman is superficial. Example 3, a broken heart has always superficial smile on her face. Example 4, don't give me the superficial reason for not completing the project. The last one we have, some relatives always show superficial affection as they want to be good in front of others.